Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my May currently page, and we are going to use, I don't know the name of this sticker book. This is one of 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗟𝗡𝗅's new sticker books. This is what the front of it looks like. I love these really happy rainbow colors. I'm also going to try to put in or incorporate some of this cute little dotted washi. So this is probably going to be a quick video, and there's nothing wrong with that. So 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗟𝗡 stickers have these really pretty florals in them, and of course you know how I feel about flowers. So we're going to put this one down here at the bottom. I don't think I'm going to white out anything over here. We're just going to let it be. I have a tiny little quote, so her quotes are really small, and that's okay. And this one says, do more of what makes you happy. And so we're going to put that along with this box over here. So let's put the quote down. I think I kind of want to put it up a little bit higher than the bottom. And it's crooked. Okay. And then let's put this like right here, but I'm going to white out that line back there wherever I put my white out. I've got a huge mess over here. So I'm just going to use my tape runner for that line. So that's cute there. So I can put some more important dates down here. And then all I'm going to do under notes is I'm going to stagger some boxes with some cute decorations. And I don't think I'm going to white out any notes or anything like that on this page either. I think I'm just going to let this page be what it is. So we're just going to stagger some of these cute colors. I'm not sure how far down I can go, to be honest with you. I think I'm going further over. I should probably line it up with the edge. It's hard to do left-handed. I am not left-handed at all. Alright, and then let's go ahead and put my boxes in to make sure that they fit before I put any more decorations in case I have to take something down. So I'm just like staggering a bunch of the colors, the cute rainbow colors that are in this sticker book. These colors are really fun and they literally make me happy. So I think I need to move this one up one. Alright, that's better. Okay, so I got my sun there. Let's take the sun and move it over a little bit more. Not quite that much. Okay. And then I've got this cute little mason jar with a drink in it that I was just going to put over here. So we're just staggering decorations in boxes. Pretty rainbows that I can put here. And then a camera. This says smile that we can put here. Alright, that is cute on that side. Now all I'm going to do is take some florals from her sticker book and put them here and use them as bullet points for goals. Thought that would be a cute little idea. I'm not sure about spacing with these, so I may have to move these around a little bit. We'll see. So I skipped to put those there, and maybe one more. This one needs to go over some. I think the spacing is okay. Oops. I think that still needs to go over some. I think the teal one does too. So we'll move those a little bit. And I think that is cute for a currently page. So let's add a little bit of washi and be finished with this spread. Do I want to come all the way? Why don't I do this and just don't even go to the bottom? Why don't we just come here And do that, and then cut this off here. I love these colors with black and white. I think they're so cute. And then let's put a little bit somewhere up top. That sticker is crooked. I think I'm going to put a little bit on top of this box. And maybe a little bit more on top of a different box. Maybe the orange box. Yeah, let's do the orange box. Cut that there, and then we will rip it over here. Or maybe I should cut it. Sometimes if I don't leave myself enough room to grab, I can't rip the washi. So you'll end up having to cut it if you're not careful. I think that is so cute. I do feel like I need something up here. I'm wondering if she has any more flowers. I can't remember. The sticker book is so cute. I should have done a flip through, and I had planned on it, but I totally forgot. So that's on me. So I really like this sticker, but it is the same sticker that's in my box down here. But I'm going for it. I don't care. We're going to do it anyways. Let's try it like that. Maybe I can use this little pink piece somewhere else. Maybe. Where can I use it? Maybe underneath this, oops, this yellow box. Cute. It's kind of out of place there though. I don't like that. Okay, so we'll put that back in the sticker book. Alright, okay, so this is cute. Let's put it back in my planner. I told you that was going to be a fairly quick video there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider, and make sure you go head over to Instagram and follow me over there. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.